To convert Tama pedals like this Iron Cobra, we'll need your 5mm wrench and a flat and Phillips screwdriver. To start, release the spring tension, then remove the spring holder from the pivot arm. Use the screwdriver to remove the two-piece spring clip from the top of the spring. In some models, the screw in this spring clamp may have a hex head instead. Remember to reassemble this spring clamp so you don't lose any of the parts and put it aside. Next, use the 5mm wrench to loosen the screw on the top of the spring arm. To remove the spring arm assembly, put the flat screwdriver between the spring arm and the pedal frame to pry off the black plastic cap from the end of the drive shaft. Remove the spring arm and install the 3 spacers provided over the drive shaft. The spacers are used to hold the bearing in place and can be installed in any order you wish. Next, position the quick torque cam against the spacers and tighten the set screw onto the flat spot on the shaft. When tightening the set screw, rock the cam back and forth while holding the drive shaft to be sure you're tightened clearly onto the flat spot. Then torque the set screw down tightly. Next, reattach the spring to the spring wire on the quick torque cam and pull it down until it's tight. You can now check to see if you like the beater angle or if it needs to be adjusted. The adjustment for this rest position is the screw and clip at the top of the quick torque cam. To change this angle, loosen the screw and move the clip back to lengthen the angle, or forward to shorten the angle. Then retighten the screw. When playing using the quick torque cams, you'll find you may actually require using less overall spring tension. The higher torque generated by the quick torque cam makes the pedal more efficient, so when in doubt, use less overall spring tension. To adjust this torque setting, loosen the spring and use the screw on the face of the quick torque cam and adjust its position in the slot. Move the cam in for less torque or out for more torque. We found with the Tamas you may prefer using quite a lot of torque. You'll need to experiment to find the setting that best fits your style, but once you find it, it's basically set it and forget it. But don't forget to attach the spring. So that's it. You're converted. That is, unless you have a double pedal, which has a second spring on the left-hand side. In that case, you'll have ordered a double pedal package which comes complete with a right cam like the one we've just installed, and a mirror image left cam for the opposite side of the pedal. The left cams are marked and when installed properly have the arm of the cam toward the heel of the pedal. To convert the left spring arm on a double pedal, follow the same steps as changing the right arm. Again, the quick torque cam you mount to the left side of the pedal is marked as left and when installed properly has the adjustable arm toward the heel of the pedal. Just like with your shoes, mixing them up doesn't work very well. After playing a few sets with the quick torque cams, please check to be sure the set screw for the cam remains firmly tightened to the drive shaft. So okay, that's it. Play loud, play tight, play often.